the steals. But yeah, 2021 has been we're there in Canada, we can't study. This moment, the place cool. You know, next moment, it's like different climate. You're walking in a sweater, you know? Like now, from the week start, from last week till now, no snow, no fall. Yeah, this part of Canada over there. And it's like a spring, like winter gets over with. So they make it seems winter storm upon it, so snow storm upon the way in a week, yeah. Looks like we are going now. Don't remember quite a few homeless people camping in the bush there. I don't ever highlight that still on my video when I walk through. So stay tuned for the walk. It's approximately 1:14 and outside no gloves. Outside is at a good temperature. Check the weather. So weather just 4 degrees out today. So by tonight expected to snow and go -8. So tonight we get cold into tomorrow. So we're going to have a video today, normally outside. We're going to have a video tomorrow when it snow. Alright people, just stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. 1 year hard now, I try to need to get to that. I guess I reach 100 videos before I reach 100 subscribers. But I'm sure it's how hard me I work. So show the boys some love, yeah? Stay tuned. As you can see, somebody are clear, so come picture tent. Homeless person. Clean up the spot of one picture tent, they don't know. Then picture tent. So a few days by law come and remove them, so they have them back and forth. When they move here, so then go somewhere. Spend 1 month or 2, and then come back here, so. And then by the time there, the bylaw come and move it again, and find somewhere else go. So there's a repeated cycle for some of them back and forth. Year so, this year so, this is it. The year pass, and dog go back. They're more scared than you. They now come out, I promise you that. You can see here, I don't know. Here, how many do the cooking video the other day? See it again? Like somebody are cleaning up yourself too. I'm not trying to make a camping spot. But like you see, a few days when I pass back through, I get to that Wednesday. So the snow tomorrow. We're going to follow up video. Nice snow. And pass through around here and we'll see it look the body vehicle on the spot there. Alright. So it's a like a stream like every man you walk. Slide this snow now. This is my spot now. This is where I always say if you do a camping video in this bush, there's somewhere put my camp. Put my tent, do a tent camping. But time and God, you know. You know, I love the outdoors and outdoors love me, but we work on the subscribers because I do the content, you know. I do the content, but we don't have enough subscribers, you know. So please, maybe gonna guys just comment to the thing, you know. Again, we are into our next camp spot of the abandoned again. What is it also? This is another demo glass. Something like Narcan. So look at that. Come through, see Narcan and them thing they call. I bush of them. Go overdose enough time so they now the Narcan kit to them have and shoot them. Because they're free, you know. See, Canada is a strange place because the people might take drugs, but it's still you have the antivenom, the Narcan, or whatever name. Correct me, chat. Narcan are one of the new to me. So a new one up so first I see one here. Recently put up the one here. About a neighbor. Here. Generator. I see a guy from down so supposed to own that up. So. Look for them white spot there. I recently painted over the money. I walk through bush or forest or anything at all. Look for marks, huh? Marks and keep up on trail. Now I'll just stay up on the inside. Mark again. So for like part. Marks keep you on track. There was a camp here at one point as well. You can see, and this is where the actual trail ends through the bush. The trail through the bush actually ends here on this side. So I wanted I could cross on the other side. We never did that before, so as you can see, the asphalt trail is in front of us. I'm gonna hit the asphalt trail till I reach the spot where I need to reach, and what I should have done is put in on my phone on my step. I put in. So now, like I'm on the trail, I'm gonna do exactly that. So, where to go again? You know, so walk me and walk. So. Yeah, I start walking good look as I start it now. So we'll see how much step we can put it. Alright, I'm out. There's another cool feature. I use my phone for
workout paused.
When I'm out walking and for instance I can't see all the way down there. I know I use the phone to like zoom up to see if somebody or something in the road or whatsoever. I don't have my glass and all you can see, you know? Especially far. So I use the phone to like zoom up all the way down the road before I go down there, because I don't know them place here. Welcome to your worst nightmare in the winter time. You think I slided idea ice skating? Broke your lucky enough sidewalk can walk on whatever there. So I'm on a bike, so I don't know if my head from here come towards me, because when you see him a while ago ride with me like go. But the people I can't see what towards me my far over the place. Foggy. This kind of foggy, you know. Out of the blood. Boy, I'm back up a road, man. I'm blicky from further, man. You know, look at the knife. As long as they're close to me. Big stone and I'm blow, you see. And I'm blicking and I know where I go. I'm looking from afar. Not if I'm listening, I'm afraid about it. People. So they walk. Here and now they walk and stop. Now they walk here and stop. Sit for like a 10, 15, 20 minutes. Take in the view. Yes, guys. The city of Hamilton now. You don't know why it's a steel city. That's why it's called a steel city out there. That is why Hamilton is called a steel city, people. So the steel mills. Always smoking. Steel city themselves. Me I walk back to the main road, you know. I look at bridge in this, you know. Always walking trails. Ever a cigarette in my mouth, always a smoke. I should have cut. Ah, go on.
Hi.
What you been up to, man?
Is that you?
Yeah, man. What you been up to?
Still walking.
Yeah, I see, man.
I see, man.
Yeah, yes.
Chris,
I remember you. You didn't remember me?
you took a video.
Yeah. You remember that? Yeah.
It's alright, buddy.
It's been a while since I seen you, man. You good?
Yeah. How about you?
I'm okay as well.
Did you go all the way or half?
I stopped at the overlook.
Yeah? Is it icy still?
Yeah.
Oh.
Gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Don't
I see
slide.
ya.
Alright, Chris. Say nothing, man. Road. Down but upside. It's a joy. So I made him back out. So yeah. And that's where I came in from, on that side of the moon. So I'm walking on the trails now, back out. So you can see the stoplights out there. That's where I'm gonna turn. And so they put in 4,169 steps. So by the time we reach home, it was the 5,000 mark. So, and this is, I start this when I reach almost halfway on the trail. So I walk home, how much more steps I put on them and reach the 5,000 mark. So when I reach the 5,000 mark, next thing when I walk on the road, all this train yourself, walking, oncoming traffic. All this train yourself walking, oncoming traffic. At the end of the day, so they look down from back way. When you walk facing the car come towards you, you have a more safer chance to jump out of the way. Run out of the way or something. When car drive behind you, they need a blind spot, you know? So like keep an eye up on the car when you walk out. $5,600 steps.